Today, we will be going over the installation on the x6014s for your BMW xDrive50. In order to start the installation, you will want to remove the bottom center cover from the rear of the vehicle as well as the driver and passenger side covers. Then, remove the flange screws from inside the bottom of the bumper and the rear of both wheel wells. When removing the bumper, make sure to disconnect the large plug. There will also be small plugs to disconnect from the plastic cover as well. Next, remove the 8 nuts securing the rear crossmember to the vehicle. Set your crossmember aside and place the EcoHitch on the 8 studs on the back. Then, reinstall your crossmember. Reinstall the hardware as well as reconnecting the small plugs from earlier. Using the diagram in the instructions, trim out a small access port to use your EcoHitch. Reconnect the large plug from earlier, secure any loose wiring with the provided cable ties, and reinstall all hardware with the bumper, and your installation is finished. When you are ready to use your EcoHitch, insert the adapter with the provided hardware, torquing down to the proper foot-pounds.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.